Hi, welcome to Sonny's the Car Wash Factory. I'm Bob Fox with CarWash College. Today I want to review the maintenance that goes along with an H25 pump station. Before we start, make sure you get a copy of the owner's manual, which you can download at sonnysdirect.com and review all the safety information related to this procedure. Really, there aren't a whole lot of tools required for this unless we're changing the oil. Now, let's get started. All right, let's talk about the maintenance on our H25 pump stations. You probably noticed most manufacturers use Wanner pumps on their pump stations because Wanner pumps can take more dirt through them than any other pump. But they do require some maintenance. Number one, daily you want to listen for any unusual noises coming from the pump. Cavitational sound means we got some air into the line somehow. That's something we want to avoid. Either daily or maybe weekly, depending on your water source. If you're using a nice clean water source, this might be a weekly check. But every day if you're using a reclaim, you want to check the inline filter right here. This is the last line of defense before the water goes out to your nozzles. So you want to take this off, you close the ball valve, unscrew it, rinse it out, and then reinstall it on there as well. These tanks come equipped with a low level switch, so if for some reason you run out of water, the pump will be turned off through the low level switch. All right, on a weekly basis, we're going to check the oil, make sure there's plenty of oil in the reservoir. Monthly, we're going to check the belts on the back. On the belts, we're looking for signs of wear, such as cracking, frayed edges, shavings underneath the belt. Remember, you always want to replace all your belts as a set, never one at a time. Annually, we're going to grease the electric motor on here, so we're going to use our electric motor grease. And there you have it. When it comes time to do maintenance to your Wanner H25 pump, make sure that there's plenty of water and plenty of oil. And again, most manufacturers recommend that you use their brand. If you don't choose to use their brand, however, a 10W30 weight synthetic non-detergent motor oil is your best option. And there you have it. That's the service for your H25 Wanner pump station. Keeping up with this and all preventative maintenance at the car wash helps eliminate unscheduled downtime and ensure you're delivering a consistent wash experience that will make raving fans of your customers. Thanks for watching. For more frequently asked car wash maintenance questions, visit us at sonnysdirect.com/FAQ. I hope to see you in the Car Wash College classroom real soon. And as always, good luck and good washing.